Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we use Microsoft Office Word, Office shapes, and drawing tools to create art. In this video, we're going to create some buttons. First, we go into Insert, Shape, select the circle. Let's give it some shape fill. Shape outline, we're going to take out. Let's put it to fixed position so it's easier to move around. Shape effects, bevel. Let's add a bevel. Now let's go into Format Picture. It's under the shape styles here. And then you choose the second icon. Go 3D format. Let's first make this wider. Let's increase the height. Okay. Rotation. .300. Angle it to 150. Let's increase the width. Okay. Select our material. What I'm selecting here is the flat. Yeah, like that. I want just here and here. Insert, shape. Shape fill. Shape outline. Smallest weight. Shape fill gradient. Choose that. This one, make it darker. Okay. Another dark one here. Like that. Okay, I don't like that. I like this one better. Move it like that. This one, move it like this. You know what? I'm going to take out that outline. I'm still going to try to make it lighter. Okay, I'm going to try different directions to see if there's something better. Like that. Like that this way. I got rid of this one. Let's see. This path would work, except it's got. This is what I want. This is perfect. This would work. Not this one, but this one. Okay, now I can just change this color to what I want, which will be a bit lighter. Let's see if that works. Almost. I think this needs to be gray. Okay, and then brightness. Actually, maybe brightness needed to be lower instead of making this gray. Yeah. Let's make like that. Transparency. Move that over like that. There we go. That's what I wanted. Copy. Paste. Let's see if I can flip this around. Oops, I don't want to do that. Bring it over here. But in this case, it has to be larger. I'm just going to highlight everything. Move it over a little bit. This one here. Shape format, outline, smallest weight. Give it a little bit more. Make it larger the other way. I'm going to move this out of the way. Try that again. Shape effects, bevel. You can try this. Then go into this part here. And I just say move down the height. See how that looks like. How's that? That's good. Copy, paste. Now we're going to go shape fill and take a different color here. And with this, shape outline, a bit darker. Material. That. with these. Let's go in here. Should be dark. No line like that. And we're done. Thanks for watching.